Whoa, I almost lost my background. We're live.
Whoa, shit. Oh, we're live. All right. Good morning, Swedish Fish. This is
Good
opposite
morning.
Nick. Sorry, you guys. You caught us as we were just warming up the vocal cords and warming up the body. So welcome to the Marketing Qualified Rundown.
For the record, if people don't do that before they go live or going to speak or whatever, they need to. Like you need to just get into the vibe of what
There's
you're going to
the new thing. You got to like pat yourself down. Like, do that thing.
This week.
Yeah, there you go. That's not marketing information, guys, but that will help you when you're doing a marketing presentation. So it's still related.
Yes.
All right. Well, we're excited today. We've got two fun, quick topics, and it is opposite day. So we're going to talk about opposite day, and we're going to talk about the marketing pyramid, not over in Egypt, but it is a pyramid nonetheless. And we'll be talking about funnels and flywheels and pyramids. So super excited. So let's jump into it. We ready?
Yes. Let's do it.
All right. What the heck is opposite day?
It's all about grabbing attention. And I think the newsletter, the imagery that we put in there today is really showing off what we're talking about here.
Yeah, these are great ads. I mean, so obviously the point is, if you look at the ad on the one on the left versus the one on the right, like one is a more typical ad, one looks like it's done by a second grader. But which one gets your attention, right?
I mean, totally the first one, 100%. I love it. I think this strategy is amazing. And it really just explains exactly what we're talking about. Just be completely different. Find out what's working and what competitors are doing and just do the opposite.
Yeah, again, this is obviously just one example, but if you think about any work in B2B or B2C, whatever you're doing, obviously, here's another great one. At the end of the day, what you're trying to get a click. You're trying to get them to catch their attention in the 2 seconds you have. So sometimes breaking out of the mold and doing the opposite from your competition will get your attention. We should have put in one of our ads that we've done, which is we put a picture of Britney Spears on an ad, and we did a Britney Spears ad, and we did an ad with like a cartoon of like an animal on a treadmill. And hey, Britney Spears did it. She,
hey, I'm on an ad.
She did it again.
I'm on an ad too. I did not do as good as Britney Spears, but I did better.
Yeah.
The animal.
To the marketing qualified audience, we did Ann was on the ad. The Swedish Fish was on the ad as well. And of all the ads we did, Britney was first, and then she was second. So hey, not bad company. So
I'm too competitive, so I'm happy.
That is opposite day too, for sure. All right, that's opposite day. So think about it, guys. When you're doing your next ad campaign, think about what's going to grab attention and really what's going to catch your eye first.
Yeah, you want people to stop the scroll. That's what we're doing.
Stop the scroll. Yeah. All right.
Pyramid.
Topic 2. The pyramid. What the heck is the pyramid?
This is.
I always think about it. That's different because usually you think about like a funnel, the flywheel, the funnel. You think sales funnel, everything like that. This is reversed. What the heck is this?
This was actually new to me. I'm going to be completely honest here because I probably still am stuck in the flywheel funnel world. So this was really interesting on how to look at marketing, like in a view.
I think it's an interesting approach too, because if you think about it, actually makes a lot of sense though. So guys, if you think about has a problem as the base of the pyramid, the problems are the most of the things of the extremes. There are more problems than there is money. So you have budget on the top and you have problems on the bottom. So it actually makes a lot of sense from a marketing perspective. Sometimes we get caught into the sales funnel, top of funnel all the way down to the bottom of the funnel. But the reality is when you're marketing, focus on what the problem is. And then how are you going to move up that pyramid to understand the awareness we've talked about in a lot of these episodes? What is the solution? And at the end of the day, you have to be top of mind when that person actually has budget, which is not 24/7.
No. And I think that is a good illustration of this pyramid here. Like just because there is a problem doesn't mean that they understand that there's a problem. They might not be there yet, and they might definitely not have the budget or be actively looking for a solution. So where all of these 12, 13, 15, 18 touch points are coming in is really here, like continuing to
For
be
sure.
them.
And always, as a marketer, start with the problem, focus on the demand, and then focus on who's got the money. And that's how you're going to get your opportunity. So that is the marketing pyramid. Simplistic.
Focus of the money. Yeah. Got that. Okay, to Nick's favorite part of
Yes.
the week, the episode. Here we go. The meme of the week. As always, I laugh.
This is so true. How many times as marketers this wasn't going to go viral? This didn't go viral? What?
Wait, we spent so much time. It had to go back and forth between like the brand and the marketing team. Like, and really nothing happened?
Yeah. No, it is flash news flash. Everything will not go viral. So pretty funny. The guy actually does look a little bit like Zuckerberg though, which is kind of funny. So
he does. Yeah.
Anyway, all right. Well, that's it, right? I think for today, that's all we got.
That is it for today. Short and sweet, although we're up 6 minutes in. Damn,
yeah, but it's a holiday weekend, so we wish everybody a great as you're enjoying the Memorial Day weekend. Just think about marketing, right?
Think about marketing. Don't forget to subscribe to the marketingqualified.co newsletter. The only B2B newsletter you really need to read for marketing. B2B marketing. That should be it. Okay.
All right.
Talking.
We're out.